Hey, what's happening? Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. This is the second video that I'm posting for some uncommon fixes for some common problems. If you have hardwood floors that are squeaking, this is a fix that I didn't even ever think of as something that could be a possible solution. Take some talcum powder and sprinkle it between the floorboards and it might actually completely alleviate the sound. If one of your sink drains or even your tub is draining slowly and you don't have any Drano on hand, one of the easiest things you can do is actually pretty simple, and you've probably got these things at home already. A little bit of baking soda and a little bit of vinegar down the drain will actually have that chemical reaction that we all know and love from our science fair volcanoes, and will actually break up everything that's going on down inside the drain that you can't see, and you can continue doing this over and over again until it completely clears the clog. Okay, here are actually a couple quick tips for two different ways of keeping your stainless steel looking good. First off, everybody knows the worst thing about stainless steel is fingerprints. One way you can try to combat that is by putting a thin layer of olive oil on any stainless appliance that you have. It's going to keep new fingerprints from forming. The second thing is, if you've got a stainless steel sink, sometimes rust is going to form. What you can do is take some baking soda, vinegar, and water solution, let it sit on the rust, and then scrub it. Repeat as necessary, and it should take care of any rust spots that you might have. Okay, here's one that probably nobody really likes to talk about it, but there are those times that you need a little extra flushing power. Make sure that you increase your toilet's flushing capabilities by ensuring that the water supply to the tank is all the way on to make sure it's giving you as much water pressure as possible. If you've got hardwood floors, you know that sometimes scratches happen. One of the things that many people don't realize you can do is, if they're not that bad, you can actually cover up a lot of them with a brown or dark colored marker. The other thing is, if you have some gouges that are in there, you can get some paste wax and fill those in, and it might take care of the problem. If the scratches are super deep or you've got real problems, you're probably going to be looking at some other solution, but if they're not that substantial, these will fix them, no problem. Thanks for checking out this video on some uncommon fixes for some common problems. Again, I've got the link to the article where I found this information in the description below. If you know any other home hacks, let me know in the comments, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.